Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machine channel. My name is Richard. So on my back you can see this is the transmissions of our 3.8 meters center drive ball mill. As you can see, the red one is the couplings, and the coupling is connected to the transmission connections of the ball mill. And then as for the structure, you can see this is the whole cover. So after the material is being ground, it will be sent to this whole cover, and then the finished product is collected by this funnel. And then under the funnel, you can see there's a bucket elevator that will lift up the finished product to the top of the finished product silo. So yeah, basically that is how our ball mill works. So it is being ground, and then the finished product that meets the qualified size will be sent to the bucket elevator to the cement silo. And the unqualified product, coarse powders, will fall off from the powder separator and to the entrance of the ball mill for recleaning. So yeah, thanks guys.